Hello everyone, I am Shubham. I am currently working as a system software engineer at CA Technologies.
Describe to us the recruitment process of CA Technologies.
We had first an online roundings for CA Technologies college. So it had like one section for aptitude, one for C and C++, and three programming questions. And even like difficult to moderate level of programming questions, not that really tough nut to crack. So this just needs the basic understanding, and that is enough. So after that, I had two technical rounds and two HR rounds in my interview process. But my technical rounds were mainly focused on analytical skills and puzzles. And my first technical round, I had one programming question and one puzzle. And what they're really interested is how do you approach a puzzle? How do you solve it? It's not like sometimes they do expect you not to solve the problem. Maybe too tough, but how you go about it really matters. And the second round, I had like a whole in-depth interview of the memory layout, how the variables are stored and used in C and C++. So that is very important to know, because if you know a programming language, so you're supposed to know how things work there in OS level and in that memory wise. Apart from that, he asked me one puzzle, like I would say it was one of the toughest puzzle. It was, but the first half I was able to solve. Second part I was not able to solve completely. But I think I was going. My approach was good, I guess. So after that, I passed those two rounds. Then I had two HR rounds, and it was pretty like they are really interested in who you are. So just be yourself and be composed. Don't take too much pressure that it's like the end of the world. So just be yourself and go about your HR rounds. So, and it was like they were more interested. What do you know about CA? How did you attend the PPT of CA? But unluckily I didn't attend. I was like in my HOD office at some work. But I had my reason. It was actually right. So they were like pretty cool about it.
So how is the recruitment process of CA Technologies different from other companies?
It's more or less same, but it differs on that it focused on more or less on analytical skills and aptitude skills. Like whether you have it in you to analyze, to solve some real life problems or maybe some new problems. But more or less it's on same lines. I would say it's moderate to difficult, moderate level, like other companies which I faced.
So what are the areas of strength in a candidate that CA Tech looks at?
They look at whether they don't look on your bookish knowledge. They look on more or less on that whether you know things which you're saying. Sometimes it happens that we tend to speak some lines, we tend to speak some statements, but without really knowing what we're speaking. So you need to be clear cut, you need to understand each and every word which you're speaking. So they see you on your concepts and on your basically programming and analytical skills. But by programming, it's not that tough level of programming like graph or dynamic programming. Simple level of programming, but whether you are able to solve some questions or not, like for searching, sorting level questions.
What are the number of offers that the company extended finally?
Company extended 3 offers finally to our campus.
So what are the tips you would give an aspirant to ace the process of CA Tech?
Be focused on data structures and know about the memory layout, which was asked to me. So just have the concepts clear regarding the languages, C or C++ or Java, memory wise, any language which you have picked, on your data structures, and not that complex data structures, fit simple here, but you should be able to solve like questions like searching and sorting. And apart from, should be good at puzzles, which is really important.
So thank you so much, Shubham, for being a part of us, and hopefully we'll be connected to you in the future.
Thanks a lot.